Greetings and welcome to OroCommerce's video tutorial series. This is Rhonda with Oro Inc. and today I'll be demonstrating how to enable single-page checkout in OroCommerce. In OroCommerce, single-page checkout is a workflow available which consolidates the default multi-page checkout steps into one simple-to-use page. This allows buyers to complete checkout on a single page as popularized in many B2C sites. Single-page checkout can be enabled or disabled for guests. When enabled, guests can proceed through checkout without logging in and without saving their personal information on the system. If desired, guests can easily register during checkout by providing a username and password without losing their shopping list contents. For more information, please see our guest checkout options video in the media library. Single-page checkout can be used by customers or guests and only needs the workflow enabled in OroCommerce. Single-page checkout is disabled by default. To enable single-page checkout, navigate to the main configuration menu and use the drop-down to select Workflows. The available workflows list on the grid showing their statuses. Click on the check mark to the right of single-page checkout in order to enable the workflow. A dialog displays asking that you activate your workflow and also warning you that the default checkout workflow will automatically be disabled when single-page checkout workflow is enabled. Click the Activate button. Customers can now configure payment and shipping options without leaving the checkout page. We can demonstrate this by navigating to an order in OroCommerce. Once in your shopping list, click the Create Order button. If signed in, your billing and shipping address automatically display. You can use the drop-down to select an alternative address or create a new one. You can review your order, select shipping and payment methods, and submit the order all from one page. Additionally, you can modify the order by clicking the pencil icon. Thanks for watching. For more video tutorials, please check out our website at www.orocommerce.com/media-library and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay informed of the latest tutorials and webinars.